Today let's look at a tool called poe, which is developed by Quora. This is an AI tool which is very similar to ChatGPT. Okay, so let us type po.com and let us go to po.com. I have already logged in. I will just log out and show you how to log in. Okay, so this is the first URL you will see, and from here you can use your phone, email, or just continue by Google because you are already logged in by Google, or you can continue by Apple. I'll continue with Google. Okay, and once I log in I will land here. So basically it is a combination of 4 tools and ChatGPT is one of the tools in it. So let's give one of the questions to each of them and let's see how does it work. Which of them gives the correct data. Write an email to my manager asking my leaves. I need to attend a function. Okay, I'm going to. So here it has given a subject already. That's so nice. This is superb. And there are some prompts coming also. It has done a good job. Not very bad, but it has done a good job. Let's ask this. Okay, this is also good, not bad. This is also good. Let's ask Dragonfly, and then next we go to ChatGPT. Okay, this is also looks fine. Okay, all of the 3 looks fine. Nothing to complain. So let's look at this one. Okay, ChatGPT has written very long email, and it has written some of the unnecessary points also, like HR department, smooth handover and all these things, which is not really needed. Okay, this is very simple understanding between the manager and as a formal email, I think that is the one more brief I need to give it to ChatGPT. Write a, let's say, short email to my manager because I need to attend a function. So let me keep it short. Okay, even though I asked for short, so this is not short, this is still more than short, but okay, I need to give better prompts. Write 3 lines email. Let me write like this. Okay, this is pretty short. Okay, this is great. So this is how you can use all the 4 tools over here to write content for any of the query you ask, and it will give any answer. Okay, and currently this is only available for iOS devices. For iPhone, MacBook and all iOS devices you have this, and also desktop. Come to browser and also use this one.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this and share this video to your friends so it reaches to more people.